Now let's take a review of this portable mini Bluetooth speaker, the Xdubo Try and Go Killer. We'll do unboxing of this new Bluetooth speaker, and we will make a review about the Bluetooth features and all the specifications in this Bluetooth speaker. One of the best mini Bluetooth speaker that I have found online. Now let's do some unboxing. Okay, let's open it now. Let's take a blade. Oh, a lot of foam. Wow, this is the portable speaker by Xdubo BMTL. Here is the cable, the Type-C cord. Then there's nothing here. Instruction. How to. The startup guide, manual. Here's the strap that you will hang your BT speaker or carry. So this is it, the manual, the speaker, and the USB Type-C cord. A very nice color, black with a soft screen for the speaker. Here is the power button, the volume rocker, the plus and the minus, and this is the play pause. I don't know where the RGB or rainbow lights button located. I don't think. If there is, beautiful color black. I love it. I like it. And let's see the charging connection input. This is the charging connector, a type C, and a TF card reader, and also there is an aux cable here, auxiliary for your media connection, laptop or TV. If you want to buy a mini portable speaker, this is one of the best portable speaker. You can order one in their website or in any online app store. The Xdubo Bluetooth speaker, try and go killer. So let's turn it on. If there's a juice, maybe we can play music or sample music in the speaker, how loud it is, or the clarity and the sounds clarity itself. So let's see now. Let's turn it on. So you will hear the sound of this mini portable Bluetooth speaker. Oh, there's a juice. Wow, look. It's now on. Nice starting off. Just long press if you try to turn it up. If you turn on, just long press. Wow, nice. There sounds like a dropping water sounds. Let's try to pair it with the phone, so you will hear the sound. And now it's connected. Let's play some songs. It's 50% volume.
You don't see how beautiful you are. You take away my breath. You've stolen my heart. Let me tell you now,
Wow,
darling, hear me
beautiful music. The sound is great.
because of who you are. You don't see how beautiful you are. You take away my breath. You've stolen my heart. Let me show you how to love. Let me show you how to love. Love yourself, love yourself, love yourself right now.
Let's increase the volume.
Show you how to love. starry eyes wide. If only you could see what I see inside. Let me tell you now, darling, hear me now. You stand out from the crowd because of who you are. Let me show you how to love. Let me show you how to love. Love yourself, love yourself, love yourself right now. Let me show you how.
Let's try a hip hop R&B sounds. So you will hear the beats. The beats.
No, 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 no. I'm on 100 mic for show. No, they know I keep it 100. Oh, no, they know I keep it 100. Oh, no, why you tripping? You ask what you wanna know. Asking me what I'm doing out on the road. You keep thinking I'm fucking with all the bros, but I ain't fucking with the bros.
Very
You
solid
ask for
bass.
but don't like what you hear.
This is what I
Say
liked
let
about
me
this
hit where
speaker.
but here. Now you like, well, why the fuck am I here? Why did I ask you to be real? Now you mad as hello, well, guess I'm too real. Cause I'm all twisted, I'm mad cause I did right, what's wrong? I'm too real. Cause I'm all twisted, I'm mad cause I did right, what's wrong? Go no. No, 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 no. I'm on 100 mic for show. No, they know I keep it 100. Oh, no, they know I keep it 100. Oh, no, they know I keep it 100. Keep it 100. Keep it 100. Keep it 100.
Increase the volume.
Keep it 100. Keep it 100. Keep it 100.
That's max volume.
You know I want you to keep it real. Don't just tell me that I wanna hear. If you can't do it, I know that's the one who will. Just be honest, I know
We
that you
will try
are
another
real.
music.
I don't get what's going on, what's wrong with you.
Why don't we just go back to what we came from? Forever, forever. Why don't we just go back to what we came from? Forever.
This is the maximum volume.
Okay, I guess I'm still high. Okay, high on you. One plus one is 12. One more time. Let's see the night. Maybe two. Why don't we just go back to where we came from? Forever, forever. Why don't we just go back to where we came from? Forever, forever.
So that is the test of the mini portable speaker, the sound check. And if you reach this minute of the video, the review of this speaker, thank you for watching of my video. This is Dre's Tech Review. And again, thank you for watching of the review of the BMTL X-Dobo Try and Go Killer. Please like and subscribe and hit the notification bell icons for more of this review at Dre's Tech Review. Thank you guys for watching of my little review.